It's an ascension, a spiritual lift to a divine dimension. Fear not its call, embrace this transition. Life's final journey, a celestial mission. Engines roaring to life, fuel ignites the night. Cosmic paths await, stars beckon with light. Bound by gravity no more, we set our course true. Destined for the unknown, the universe in view. We live forever